This is the famous Signpost Forest, where people put their license plate or any sign in here as a memory of their trip to Yukon, Alaska. It was initially set up by some US soldiers in 1942 during the World War II. And then the thing started, and right now there are close to 100,000 signs put up by people. Everyone put their own sign, nailed it somewhere. People from all over the world. Oh my God, this is massive. From Europe, a lot of from Europe, from anywhere practically. Illinois, Spokane. Oh my God, this is massive.北极之旅 Who the heck is this? 北极之旅从中国来的。Kansas, California, Watson Lake. Mostly from Europe and North America and South America, everywhere. From European Union, Nebraska. Some puts really big ones. It doesn't have to be a license plate or anything. Crescent Beach, someone took a street sign, road sign. Back to the Signpost Forest in Watson Lake. I couldn't really find anything to post in here. There's nothing on my car I could nail it to. And plus that this whole place is so filled. No space left. Stadtfellbach, that's a German city or place name. Someone really made an effort. Hescherich family were here June 26, 2023. That was only last year. So they really went up here, went way up, make a sign. Kharkov, Ukraine. Someone from Kharkov, Ukraine made a sign. Another one from Canada, from Quebec. This one is from Illinois, Springfield. From Texas. From North Carolina. So there are more. Most from America, California, Arkansas, Minnesota, New Hampshire, all over the place. New Hampshire, Indiana, Fort Wayne, Washington, Montana, Toronto. This one is from Germany. This one is Fort Collins, Missouri, Minnesota. This is from European Union, probably from Germany. Yeah, it's Deutsch, it's from Germany. New York, the New Berlin, Wisconsin, Ontario. Some of these signs are pretty old. 98, actually not that old, 98, 30 years ago, 20 some years ago. Alberta. There's a California license plate, Missouri, Chester County, LaCroix, Beaver Dam, I don't know, all kinds of signs. It's like a gigantic cemetery of signs. Jim Walla. What the heck is that? Washington. Mostly American license plates. There's someone from, okay, there's Canada, Toronto, Harrisburg. It seems like the biggest signs are usually from Germany. I figure maybe it's because of the fall of the Berlin Wall. People are taking down a lot of these big signs and then put it here. Maybe that's why. Because some of the biggest signs are all from Germany for some reason. It must be related to the fall of the Berlin Wall. Dallas, there's one from Dallas, and the other right underneath Penzing, that must be a German plate as well. Akron, New York. Akron, Massachusetts. Punta Arenas, oh, I've been there, that's in Chile. Ohio, Larson's. Florida. There's one Sacramento, Alberta, Ohio. Yeah, mainly U.S. So Cleveland, multiflora, don't know where that is. That's Connecticut. Georgia. Another German. There's another German. A lot of German. There's a Swiss. Enid Baden. Swiss. Alaska. Oh, Bob. Someone make an effort. Someone just randomly put anything. That metal one is British Army Training Unit. Suffield, that's from Britain. Baldwin, New York. Some of these signs are faded so much, can't even see. It's made from plywood, so it's too faded. It decayed over time. Yeah, all of these plywood boards decayed faster than the metal ones. Florida, Texas, New Jersey. Someone really made an effort. They made their own tabernacle, New Jersey. Look at this one. Retired, Joyce and Jerry. I guess they're 1992. They retired, so that's 32 years ago. They retired. They made a big sign. So that sign must have been there for 32 years now. If they retired at 60, there'll be 92 years. Larry Marge. Church of Christ, Tarbacola, Wyola, Betty, California. Oh, it's yard care. This is so funny. Just endless forest of these signs.